Hi everyone. So today I am here for something important in our life. During the pandemic, I knew that, I observed that, and I feel that we have to do something which is for our life. You don't fear it, because fear is the word which always demotivate you. You never go ahead in your life. So I learned in this pandemic, so don't fear it. So you have to go and grab this opportunity and use this opportunity to develop your personality and your whole life. So how you change your personality, and what are the important things we need to focus, we need to acknowledge, what are the things in your life. I will tell you the 5 important things. Only that 5 important things will give you success in your life. So what are they? First is presence of mind. Presence of mind is very important, guys. Presence of mind. So whatever you have to do, whatever you are going to do, and whatever you are thinking to do it, so at that time your presence of mind is very important. Your presence of mind is very important during the work, during the situation, and during your responsibility. Because without presence of mind, the work and your responsibility never go in a right direction, never gives you a correct result. So be focused on your presence of mind while you are doing anything for your life. Second is eye contact. Eye contact is very important while you are talking to anyone, while you are in the meeting, while you are presenting any presentation. So eye contact is very important in our life. It gives us confidence. It gives us respect. So it is another important for our personality. So if we talk about the third one is body language. You know, body language means your gesture and posture, how you prepare for yourself, and how you thought about your dress up, and many things a lot. So your body language is very important. How you ready, how you face the things. So your body language is very important. So another thing is, while we are in the meeting, or while we are in the class, or while we are in any discussion, or any seminar, or any place, that time one thing is very important, because today everyone has their cell phone, and the cell phone is important for everyone. I know, as you know also. But while we are in the meeting, we are in the class, we are in the conference, we are in the discussion, or we are in the seminars, or any other place. So that time, our phone never be on speaker. You have to silence your phone, because one ring disturb your life for the moment. So that is very important for your life. Another word is important, that is your nod. You know nod? While teacher asking you any questions, you have to move your head. Yes, ma'am. While you are in the interview, while you are in the meeting, say and response, yes sir. It's very important. So you have to reply by your nod. Yes. So that is also a very important. If we talk about in all the things, all the 5 important points that change your life, mostly in that pandemic time. So guys, I thought you have to change yourself. Now it's time to do it and change your personality. If you change your personality, success will come on your feet. Thank you guys, and thanks for watching me, and thanks for motivating me to interact with you daily. So I'm happy to hear. I hope you are also happy at home. Stay home and save your family.